Chapter 8. Forests and Tribal People. Forests are large areas where trees grow very close to one another under natural conditions. In forests, human population is either absent or very little. Forests are useful to us in many ways. Forests are home to a vast variety of plants and animals. They provide grass and fodder for the animals. They provide wood for making houses and furniture. It is also used as a fuel. Besides that, they give us honey, vegetables, tubers, roots, oils, herbs, fruits, medicines, gum and raisins. They are the main source of livelihood for the tribals living in the forests. They maintain oxygen, carbon dioxide balance in nature. When plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is used by animals and human beings for breathing. We take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. In this manner, the balance is maintained in nature. Roots of the trees bind the soil tightly. During rains or storms, the top fertile soil does not get eroded. But if we cut down trees, soil becomes loose and gets washed away easily by rain and storms. They also maintain water cycle in nature. Types of forests. Let us look at some of the major forest types in India. Evergreen forests. The trees in these forests remain green throughout the year. These forests are found in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Monsoon forests. In these forests, new growth of leaves takes place when rainfall occurs. These forests are found in lower slopes of the Himalayas. Coniferous forests. Trees in coniferous forests have needle-like leaves that are cone-shaped so that snow does not accumulate on them. These forests are found in the upper Himalayan region. Semi-desert and desert forests. Trees in semi-desert and desert forest have deep roots to draw water from depth. These forests are found in Rajasthan and in parts of Deccan Plateau. Mangrove forests. These forests have very thick vegetation. They are found in West Bengal and on deltas of rivers Godavari, Krishna and Mahanadi. Tribals. There are many communities that have been living in forests for centuries. These communities are called tribes. The people of a tribe are called tribals. They fulfill most of their requirements from forest products. India has a number of tribes living in its different parts. Look at the following chart. Name of tribe, areas where they are found. Gonds, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Bhils, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Santhals, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha. Khasis, Meghalaya, Assam. Badagas, Tamil Nadu. Godis, Himachal Pradesh, Narmadas, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. Main occupation of tribals. Agriculture is the main occupation of tribals. Normally, they practice shifting cultivation, which is also called jhum cultivation. They cultivate crops at a particular piece of land for a few years. Then they move on to another area, clear up the new piece of land and do farming there. Some tribes also use slash and burn method to increase the fertility of the soil. In this method, they cut a few trees and burn them. The ashes obtained after burning increase the fertility of soil and make it fit for sowing rice. But this method is not advisable as it causes deforestation. Besides agriculture, other occupations of tribal communities are gathering honey, fruits, medicinal plants, resin, etc., hunting and making things out of forest produce. The tribals totally depend on the forest products for their livelihood. The tribal people collect leaves to make pattal, leaf plate on which they eat their food, collect tendu leaves for making beedis, make brooms and mats from grass, obtain turpentine, tannin, raisins, gums from trees, make baskets from bamboos, collect seeds meant to get oil. For example, oil from sal and neem are used in making soap. Oil obtained from sandalwood is used to make perfume. Tribal people sell forest products in the market. Sacred groves. Many tribal societies worship nature. They consider certain plants and animals as sacred and worship them. Neem, peepal, and banyan are considered sacred trees. On religious festivals, these trees are decorated and worshipped. It is believed that this brings prosperity, a good harvest, good health, and peace. In our country, sacred groves are an integral part of some tribal societies. A certain patch of forest land is dedicated to a deity or village god. This is a sacred grove. No one is permitted to cut any tree or kill animals or birds in this area. Deforestation. Cutting down of forests on large scale is called deforestation. Deforestation causes soil erosion that makes the land infertile. Floods and landslides are common in deforested areas. Animals lose their homes when we cut down forests. Climate also becomes warmer.